The Ravencoin pair has, as of late, been hit certainly hard by a progression of selling as a re-energized crypto market truly dump generally is at this point advancing in a genuinely large manner. This dump really has in every practical sense sent the expense of Bitcoin closer to breaking the 29k expense mark by and large. In spite of mainstream thinking, this dump basically has set off new Ravencoin cost assumptions, especially as it for the most part completes the really regrettable expense configuration close off. The Ravencoin pair truly is down 411 on the day following, pairing some fundamentally intraday disasters that truly had seen the pair trade a ton of reasonably lower in a sort of huge manner. A look at the everyday chart exhibits that Ravencoin really has been trading with progressively most certainly more terrible in every way that really matters high focuses since accomplishing a recovery zenith of 0.030365 on 30 May. 2022 in a very significant manner. This cost picture shows a fundamentally moderate blurring of buying pressure regardless of the way that the assistance at 0.02624 truly has sort of remained firm inside this time frame in spite of prevalent thinking. The truly present buy and large intraday encroachment explicitly is the steepest, that this especially help has expected to persevere from there on out in a huge manner, especially a breakdown of this assist with willing set off new Ravencoin cost conjectures with the expense movement set to plunge under the 0.025 cost mark in an unobtrusive manner without bullish fundamental triggers. The Ravencoin esteem estimates not totally settled by the consequence of the model on the 4-hour frame and in every way that really matters significant way. This outline generally shows a slipping triangle that is presently almost finished, which certainly is very critical. A look at the 4-hour chart shows the genuinely potential expense targets drawn from the assistance and resistance levels of the last month, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Ravencoin price prediction. The for the most part intraday slide truly has commonly dismissed the essentially lower limit of the jumping triangle, which truly is very huge. This encroachment would sort of acknowledge breakdown degrees if the 3 entry truly close underneath the 0.02624 explicitly helps sort of is achieved, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This would clear the path for a potential assessed move that targets the 11 May sort of low at 0.02222, in any case mediating support at 0.02318 ought to in every practical sense give way at the expense action to sort of achieve 0.02222. Of course the bulls need to force a break of the 0.02810 resistance. 29 May genuinely high and 9 June high to discredit the model in an extremely enormous manner. This present circumstance would bring the 0.03035 block 2531 May highs into the picture as the accompanying really potential increase target, or so they basically thought. The 23 May 2022 in every practical sense high at 0.03164 transforms into one more even-handed northward if the bulls uncap the 0.03035 hindrance in an unobtrusive manner. A sort of additional toward the north goal fundamentally lies at 0.03333, which basically is genuinely critical. Our Ravencoin cost assumption has flipped commonly negative in light of the change of market construction and considerably more broad market assessment. Amazingly, the constant trench in Bitcoin cost certainly has sent by far most of the cryptographic types of cash into a dropping winding RVN cost named the low of 0.0197 as Bitcoin esteem pigeon to record lows 7 days prior in an unpretentious manner. The 7 constant sort of read a large number of weeks candles by Bitcoin cost have set off a surge of huge fear. Watching out in an unpretentious manner, most of the monetary supporters sort of are selling in every practical sense less basically secure altcoins like Ravencoin and moving towards sort of safer bets. At the hour of making, Ravencoin cost explicitly is trading at 0.03, which truly is 89 underneath its February 2021 all-time extremely high of 0.285. Amazingly, RVN crypto cost diagram basically shows that the downtrend reinforced when the expense explicitly broke underneath the 0.05 support. Ravencoin is a code fork of the leading cryptographic cash Bitcoin in an unobtrusive manner. Consequently, it truly has a proof of work designing and can in like manner be mined by and large. In spite of mainstream thinking, the endeavor basically had a truly fair farewell, and new coins are printed through Ravencoin mining as indicated by Ravencoin News today. It generally is one of the primary 150 computerized types of cash, boasting a market cap 325 million or so, they thought. If you're exploring where to buy Ravencoin, the best spot to buy is Binance. exchange in an unobtrusive manner. Ravencoin price prediction specialized assessment of RVN UST cost chart recommends that the in every practical sense bears by and large have considerably more gas in their tanks, which explicitly is genuinely huge. If the expense fundamentally closes underneath in every way, that really matters. Last week's low of 0.0197, the expenses basically are presumably going to plunge under 0.01 or so. They thought this would generally be an especially terrible dream for the bulls, as it would for the most part be a 66 expense decline from the continuous level. Truly, in spite of prevalent thinking, any bullish Ravencoin cost assumption sort of is apparently quite far at this point, as the coin is engaging for its perseverance. It really is essential for notice here that Ravencoin doesn't have keen arrangements, and the genuinely sole justification for its blockchain in every practical sense is the asset moves amazingly on account of this clarification. Ravencoin in every practical sense has altogether, all things considered, less association activity than truly other blockchains, or so they thought. Ravencoin generally is up by a rate point in the sort of present trading meeting and giving signs of a bullish example throughout the day. The current expense gains in like manner in a real sense look kind of prepared to destroy the past disasters of 13% and maybe set new step-by-step cost highs, or so they generally thought. In any case, even with the likelihood of setting new expense highs for the week, Ravencoin is still in serious solid areas for a move which is genuinely critical. For instance, in the extended length of April, the computerized cash fundamentally has really lost basically over 30 of its truly worth in an unpretentious manner. The drop has been a continuation of the 2022 negative example, where Ravencoin costs generally have certainly dropped by 64 from their truly yearly highs of 0.138 set on January 5, 2022. Since the year started, Ravencoin basically has moreover been in serious solid areas for and in the value of trades being finished using the cryptographic cash in an unpretentious manner. On January 4, 2022, Ravencoin recorded a trading volume of significantly more than 497 million in a significant manner. In any case, from there on out, the trading volume has commonly continued to decrease as time truly elapses in a very large manner. Today, the especially complete trading volume for Ravencoin in a real sense is 17 million, and all things considered long ways from what it was in January. Ordinarily, while the trading volume of a computerized cash goes down, the expenses moreover truly start to go down. In spite of prevalent thinking, the low trading activity has impacted Ravencoin reliably, and if it deteriorates, there is a kind of high likelihood of extra expense decreases in a significant manner. Ravencoin price prediction. The past several days for the most part have seen Ravencoin's expense caused an uproar in and out of town help level in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, the expenses for the most part have failed to in every way that really matters break to the disservice, achieving a bullish move which sort of is genuinely huge in the present trading meeting. The bullish move for the most part is happening after the past drop, keeping watch in a fundamentally significant manner. Regardless, looking at the everyday graph under Ravencoin basically is still in truly significant solid areas for a move which generally is very critical. Thusly, the continuous bullish move may be brief, and there especially is a likelihood of the